Hello and welcome to our Go programming tutorial series. My name is Bidyut Kundu and today we will jump right into coding. We will start with writing our first Go program, then move on to variables and then finish with functions. Let's get started. Let's write a simple program that prints hello world to the screen. Uh, Open your VS Code editor, then we will create a file hello.co. Yeah, then we write package, then we write the main function, hello build. Just quickly open my terminal. Okay, so here's what happening. Like package dot main tells that go that this is the main package, and like the fmt basically brings that fmt package for formatting input and output, and the main function basically defines as the name suggests, it's the main function which is the like the which is the where is the go program starts, and fnt dot print line basically prints the hello world to the screen. Let's run this program by just writing go run and the file name. Yeah, so as you can see that hello world is printing here. uh, Now let's talk about variables. Variables store data basically that can be used and changed in your program. uh, in Go, we like you can declare a variable using like the var keyword, and like for example, okay, instead of like printing this, okay, we just okay, let's clear this one. Yeah, output is a new message. uh, or we can do like this, like that. Now let's run again. Yeah, it's new message. You can do like the one liner. Okay, so now like there are more different types of variable, like for example, basically to integer. Let's remove this one, this two. And like if you declare anything in code, like any string function, anything, and if you don't use that in your program, so basically go throws an error. Basically, you need to just remove those things. Now this thing is gone. Yeah. So there are more types. Like for example, there is one temperature. For example, support float 64. And like the boolean also, by using bool keyword. Yeah. So also you can use the shorthand to declare variables inside the function, basically like this. Instead of writing like this, you can just do, let me just quickly remove this one. If I remove the var and also the integer, the type, if I do this, it's short. uh, it is also valid, like it's the shortened method to write the basically go automatically detects its type. Yeah. So as you can see, it's giving me that output. uh, so let's just quickly remove, just commented all of this thing. Okay. So let's use the variables in a real example. Let's write a program to calculate the area of a rectangle. So where length and just quickly length into width to get the area, and also we use that one. Just quickly copy this one and paste it here. And we just remove everything from here. Yeah. So let's clear this thing. Let's run this program. So output is 20.9. Basically, it's automatically detect that area also be like the float 64. So it's automatically detect that thing. So basically, first we declare the length and width with its data type, then we just give assign some value, then just write the formula to calculate the area, then we just print the output. So now let's talk about functions. So basically functions are block of code that do specific tasks. Like they help you to organize or like to reuse your code. Like so, just just give you a quick example here. So we can pass here any name, then it's type. Then let's run this program. Yeah, so it's hello Bidyut. Uh, dash hello. Yeah, it's perfect. So now let's try another example. So basically, we are creating a function basically that add two numbers. Okay, so create one more function. Call it. Basically, it's taking two value, two parameter like A and B. Then result should be use the return statement A plus B, and also we need to pass its alphabet int integer. Okay, so if we just copy paste this thing, and before that we need to declare something. Let's call it result. So we just call that function 2, 3. That should be it. Yeah, let's comment this code first. So output is 5. Basically, let's combine like what we have learned today about the variables and functions, and we'll write a program basically that's calculate the perimeter of a rectangle using a function. So like let's change just quickly comment one for now. It will give me an error. That's okay. Function parameter, and it will take two things. So first it should be length, then width, float 64, and in return what will be written it, float 64. So basically we need to return 2 into uh, what what is the formula, length plus width. Okay, so what will be the answer? Let's find out. So yeah, we have just created a function, basically that's it, the parameter of rectangle. So before we wrap up, here are a few tips and tricks like for uh, working with variables and function in Go. Basically, use descriptive names, choose a variable or functions names. Basically, that clearly describe their purpose. For example, use length with instead of a and b, and also keep functions small. Basically, always aim to keep each function and perform a single task. Basically, this makes your code easier and easier to understand and maintain also, and always use the shorthand syntax. Basically, declaring variables within the function, basically to make your code more consistent. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. You have learned how to write the first Go program and work with variables and create functions. In our next video, we will explore more about the control structure and loops in Go. Um, if you found this video helpful, keep updated, thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future video tutorials. Um, yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.